Hey guys, today we are in an absolutely stunning home outside of Tallahassee, Florida, designed by Conn Architects and built by Riley Palmer Construction. EF San Juan provided a tremendous amount of select cypress paneling and trim and the gorgeous African mahogany cabinets that you see behind us and cabinetry throughout the rest of the home. Today we're going to spend a little bit of time showing you this home and some of our favorite spaces in it along with the homeowners, and I think you're really going to enjoy that. This kitchen was designed with all flush doors that are aligned so that all the grain aligns top to bottom. They've got concealed battens on the back sides of these doors, so they're engineered to last long term. And these are truly some of the most beautiful hardwood doors that we've constructed in a kitchen. When you look closely, you'll see that there's actually a concealed batten covered by a small mitered box on every cabinet that's got a hardwood door, so that over the long term, these hardwood doors will be able to expand and contract but stay flat throughout that process. It's a small detail, but it makes a large difference over the long term. I wanted to spend a moment in this gorgeous foyer to this house, speaking about our select cypress paneling that we provided throughout this household, and to also give the compliment to the craftsmen working with Riley Palmer Construction. The joint that you see right inside this foyer where the cypress hits and the compound miter required is an incredibly complicated detail to pull off and something that may go unnoticed in this household without it being pointed out. So props to them, and it really complements our product here, seeing it installed in such a beautiful manner. The library behind me is one of the homeowner's favorite spaces in the home, and I've got to say that I agree with her. It really is a space that adds a ton of character into this house and brings a lot of warmth in. And I've got to say, I love seeing our product, the built-in cabinetry, the ladder, used in such a creative way. Another area of this house that I'd like to highlight is this beautiful sink that we created. This was crafted out of select hard cypress that's river recovered, glued up, and then hand carved by one of our craftsmen to create an extremely unique conversation piece in the house. This master bath is another area that is just worth talking about. It has a beautiful continuation of the African mahogany cabinetry throughout it, and then also the warmth of that paneling just really brings a unique look into this bathroom. The homeowner wanted to use a lot of local natural materials, and it's really showcased in this room with alabaster fixtures and our select cypress paneling on the walls. Another item that is easy to miss is that every cabinet has vertically aligned grains, so that from top to bottom, you'll see the same boards continue from drawer box to drawer box. It's a lot easier to see in this select cypress cabinet. Thank you for joining me today. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time with me in this absolutely stunning, unique household. I love seeing our product installed in a way that really complements it, and this is just a beautifully executed project that I know the homeowner is extremely happy about. If you have any questions about this project, please drop a comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see from us, and I look forward to showing you some other very unique projects this season.